The Xiaomi Redmibook 16, 2024 laptop responds to user demand and carries, in its two versions, 1TB PCIe 4.0 2242 SSD storage. It is very important to note that this is SSD storage space, something that is starting to become quite common among mid-range and high-end laptops, and of course, in all Xiaomi laptops, which makes the whole computer go much faster. This is a field where all Xiaomi laptops, especially those launched more recently, from 2018 onwards, stand out enormously. Let's be clear, if you start looking, you will find another laptop with similar specifications at a technical level. Now, when you ask these ones, they must have a transportable weight, living up to their portable name. An elegant, slim, professional, minimalist, subtle design. Can you tell I like its design? I'll stop now, sorry. And that it is built with premium materials, all metal. All this, put together, in the clean and organized way of Xiaomi laptops, you can go quietly at prices ranging from double that of Xiaomi laptops, up to 3 to 4 times more, being their close cousins the Apple MacBook. And even so, you will never be able to count on the reliability and confidence that what you have in your hands is a Xiaomi laptop. There is a reason why their smartphones have become #1 in sales in Europe in less than 1 year since they landed here, right? Well, now take that, and apply it to their laptops. That said, let's get down to business. The Xiaomi Redmibook 16 Pro, 2024 laptop, made of durable metal, has a modern and clean design. It stands out for its 16 screen with thin margins, great space utilization and improved appearance. As we were saying a moment ago, our favorite laptop has a 16-inch Super Retina display and, as in its previous version, Xiaomi has pulled out all the stops. For this is not just a high-definition display, but nothing less than a screen with 3.1K resolution, 3072 by 1920. It has a brightness of up to 500 nits, an aspect ratio of 16:10 and dynamic refresh rate of 165 Hz with DRR refresh, 60/120 Hz, has TV Rhineland low blue light and TV Rhineland flicker-free certifications and supports DC dimming and Dolby Vision. As far as screen size is concerned, and consequently, size of the entire notebook itself, the Redmibook line did not have 16-inch screens since the old Redmibook 16, currently discontinued. If you are looking for something smaller than this, within the same Redmibook family you can find in 15.6-inch. The Redmibook 15 Pro, 2022, the Redmibook 15 Pro, 2023, and the Redmibook 15e, 2023 and in 14. The Redmibook 14 Pro, 2022, the Redmibook 14, 2023, and the Redmibook 14, 2024. One of the highlights of the Redmibook range, and all the latest generation of Xiaomi laptops, is precisely its incredible battery. This time, Xiaomi has taken it straight to another level. With a 99 Wh battery that can last up to 27.7 hours, yes, you read that right. This is the best battery life we have seen in a Xiaomi laptop so far and almost certainly one of the best worldwide. And if that wasn't enough, it features an ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 Type-C, or USB-C, Thunderbolt 4 charging port. This will allow you to charge your Xiaomi laptop to 50% in just 35 minutes, at a speed of 140 W. And remember, 50% of 27.7 hours is 13.85 hours, not bad, right? In addition, thanks to the Type-C or USB-C cable, you will be able to charge your Xiaomi laptop with any power bank or portable battery you carry with you for your smartphone as well. In short, without battery, you're not going to run out of juice with this Redmibook 16 Pro, 2024.